We're heading to Latvia. It is 5 a.m. and we have a 4-hour drive there, so wish us luck. Alright, so 2 FMC rounds are done. The first one I got a 68. We're not gonna talk about that. It was an awful scramble. And then on the second one I got a 48. Hopefully not gonna DNF those, but yeah, hoping to get the mean also. It's gonna be a really bad mean because of the 68, but oh well. But now I have a big break because I'm too blind. And then I have 6x6 and something else I can't remember. But yeah, now we're at this lunch, and after that we'll see what events I have. Alright, since we have about 1 hour till the last FMC attempt, we're gonna check into our hotel and then go back to the one last FMC solve, and then we have like another 3 hours before 6x6 clock and square one start. Cut. Alright, so when we walk in, we have nice double bed, TV, television, whatever. Then this nice bathroom. Hello. Very nice, very nice. And then we have this little couch thing here, closets, and also a freaking balcony. Like, I'll take it. That's pretty cute. So yeah, that's where we'll be living for the next couple of days. Since we don't have a fridge, then we have this. This is our fridge. Nice. Alright, so FMC is done. I got 58 on the last one. Sadly, they DNF'd my first solve, which is unfortunate. But yeah, now we have a bigger break, and then we have 6x6 clock and square one. So that's where we're going. Whee! Good luck to us climbing those stairs. Well, that was a lot of stairs. And the view, boy. Yes, very beautiful. You know, only crazy people come to the beach when it is pouring rain. Kinda cool though. So I just checked FMC's results and they had made a mistake. So my first attempt
was a 61, then the second one was a 48, and the third one was 56, which means I got a mean of 55.00. So I am really stunned about that, and that's my PB average because, or PB mean, because I haven't gotten a mean yet. So that's pretty cool. But now we're heading to the supermarket to get some snacks. We also went sightseeing, which you saw from the clips. And then it is 6x6 clock and square one. So we got some bowls because we apparently forgot them. And spoons to eat cereal with. This is kinda embarrassing. Don't put it on the vlog.
To an end. Quick recap, 6x6, I got a decent single which was 5.30 something, and then in clock I got my PB average, which was 14.51 or something like that, but I DNF'd my last solo, which would have been my PB single and also my PB average, which would have been like 13 seconds, which would have been like actually really good. Kinda salty about that, but oh well. And now we have square one, and I don't really know what to expect, so we'll just get through it, and then that's gonna be it for day one of Latvian Championships. Also, it's like super creepy in here. Literally, it's so dark, and the bathrooms are literally in the middle of nowhere. So, good for me, good for me. How sketchy is that? Cute.
Oh my god. Tegi katki ka või?